Hi, in this video we will use the front-end pages in your author's website to verify your purchased licenses and unlock the locked forums to be able to submit your questions. In this example we are using our Oxybug forum for demonstrating purpose, so it will be a little bit different from your author's website. Now open your author's website and register a new account or sign in if you already have one. Paste the activation link has been received in your mailbox and complete the activation process, then log in. Now authenticate your Envato's buyer account to associate your registered user you have just created with your buyer accounts. You can access the Authenticate front-end page from the menu item in the admin bar or from Envato client green button above the forums list. Congratulations, the authentication process has been done. Let's verify your purchased licenses from Oxybug store to unlock the locked forum and to be able to submit your support ticket. So, in this page you will see all your purchases have been made from your author's store and its details. Now all these licenses have been associated with your buyer account. Now return back to the forums page and visit the forums belongs to your purchased projects. You will see that these forums are unlocked and you can submit your support tickets.